Good evening, everybody. Fanman Steve here once again. I am back now with a stream of new content and from a new camera. As I as I mentioned in the post, my old phone somehow quit working, and I will explain to you how that happened in another video. But today, this is going to be a comeback of my old Hunter box fan here. I'm sure that you all remember this. This was the fan that I got sometime last year, and the last video that I did of it was basically was supposed to have been a restoration, and you see where the blade there is kind of screwed up. This happened as I was attempting to remove the blade off of the hub, and it is so basically just fused onto the shaft there that it literally bent the blade, that it bent the hub back. Two of the blades are missing. I still have those around here somewhere. I need to look for them. And you see the leads going into the motor there. Those are damaged, and I'm going to have to find a way how to repair those. I'm not exactly sure what shape the motor is in now, but I still want to try my hand at saving this. This fan is. This was a good save right here. This fan sat in a boxcar for many years, and I just want to try my hand at trying to get this thing put back together. I made a post on Facebook to get some assistance on what I can do to bend the hub back. This is going to be more of a collector's edition, something I'm just going to put on display, even if I can't use it, or at least if I can try to find another motor for it, or maybe I'll just try to repair the leads on it. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do that. I'll get some help on that as well. There is the handle right there. There is the entry point for where the switch used to be. I have that around here somewhere too. I need to look for that as well. And here is the power cord. That's the original one. This fan has been through a lot. There is the information right there. Model FZ-20. Really cool piece here. Not too often that you're going to find these. And this thing has been sitting out in the shed since last summer for well over a year now. So I'm going to try to restore this thing and get it put back together. And I'll get some assistance on how I can do that. So if I can get help with this will be my next project. And maybe I can just put this thing on display and keep it in my collection. So here's a look at the inside there. It's really rusted. Not much has changed. Even sitting out in the shed for quite a while. I know now that knowing now how to get the hub off. I can just use heat and some PB Blaster, whatever may be available around here. I'll have somebody help me with that. And technological heritage, if you're watching this, maybe you can give me some suggestions on what I can do. So, this is, if I were to say so, this is a long forgotten fan that I want to try to bring to life again. And I like it. It's a really cool fan. I see these from time to time on YouTube. And seen fans worse for shape than this. But this one definitely deserves a second shot at life. So I'll let you have a quick look at the back here. You can see that. There's the motor mount. There's that Hunter motor. Really cool motor there. Really big one too. If I can get this thing put back together, and if I can get it repaired, maybe I'll consider painting it. If I can't get the fan to run again, then that's fine. I'm going to hold on to it. Like I said, it'll just be something that I'll put on display. So, nonetheless, more of a collector's edition. More of a collector's fan, whatever you want to call it. So, well, there you go, everybody. First video of the fall season. And I hope that you all have enjoyed. And until next time, over and out.